Hi and welcome. My name's David Dickson. I'm IBM's leader for mining and industry transformation globally for our resource manufacturing and energy industries. Firstly, thanks to IMARC, the Victorian government. I'm sure a welcome sentiment in these times. Ostmine, AusIMM, Mines and Money, and Mets Ignited for arranging this great event in difficult circumstances, of course. So IBM is a very happy repeat sponsor for this year's CTO Leaders plenary session. I see we have many clients, our industry partners such as Sensor and ABB, and many other contributors scheduled for the event. So it really is a pleasure to meet you all again. So today we've got some fantastic on-trend topics in the CTO session with updates on the progress and challenges in digital transformation and examples really across the value chain from exploration, metallurgy, community and reviews on operations such as in Peru. And also, importantly, how mining's addressing the imperatives of culture, skills and new ways of working. So I'm really looking forward to these topics and also gaining insights from our industry leaders on the serious topics of the impact of the pandemic on supply, workforce, communities, and mining's proximity challenge to its customer demand in manufacturing and construction typically. So we're really having to have a laser sharp focus on resilience, agility, and data security. Okay, so having said that, it wouldn't be fair if I didn't manage a word or two on IBM, specifically what we do in mining. So in mining, we really have a pledge to realise our mining partners' digital ambition faster, anywhere. So the nod to anywhere is really no more important now than the imperative around the post-COVID-19 times. And we do this in five unique ways. So firstly, we're building with our industry partners mining relevant digital platforms supporting sustainability and Industry 4.0. They're our two agenda items. And we co-create these into new mining capabilities and new ways of working. Secondly, as a builder of open hybrid cloud and AI platforms, we are leading the open hybrid cloud and AI space. So we're enhancing engineering and operational technologies and practice and addressing the IT-OT integration challenge. And in doing so, we believe we can therefore create greater impact as the world-leading systems integrator across the enterprise. And in fact, have been a leading partner of SAP, for example, over 45 years. And in the world of digital, that is a long time. So thirdly, our ecosystem alliances and partnerships, as again, spanning literally from greenfield exploration with Sensor, for example, across the value chain and into adjacent industries with Shell. And in the development of industry as a leader in organisations like the Global Mining Guidelines Group. We're an IDC leader in operational services for mining, and we're an ardent supporter of diversity and inclusion, and specifically in mining, we're one of the leaders in globally of Women in Mining for Women in Mining UK. Fourth, which is truly unique to mining and also to IBM, is our ability to support end-to-end transformation. So this extends in three dimensions. First, across services from co-creation to full digital transformation services. Secondly, in systems, where we are the world leader in supporting as a foundation open and interoperable hybrid cloud. And the importance of this is it starts to truly enable edge to enterprise, as in edge into all the moving parts in mining, into the enterprise of all the mining data that we need to start to get the great insights. And third, as the leading software solutions provider of differential AI and optimization capabilities, again, from the mine through to the market. And I think lastly, and also possibly the most important, is we are the trusted leader in developing open, secure, scalable, and ethical AI. Never more important as we go from narrow AI applications, random acts of AI, into broad and general applications of AI. Okay, on to today. So we're really excited to support IMARC with two great sessions. First up from Mark Foster, our Senior Vice President for IBM Services, and then Ant Farah, our Managing Partner for Innovation, Strategy and Ventures. So it really is a pleasure and a privilege to have Mark interviewed by Osmine CEO Chris Gibbs-Stewart. So they'll be discussing how hybrid cloud, AI and co-creation are changing really what are all possibly all suffering from, which is some transformation fatigue into transformation speed. Some great questions discussing the trends of co-creation, open ecosystems, how miners build capability to enable improved outcomes for stakeholders, both economic and socially. And Ant Farah will then bring to life how we can start to see our future way of working today with a focus session on IBM Garage. Also, in the next coming days, please visit our virtual booth, reach out to our team and accept our invitations for a chat. I'm sure it will be mutually worthwhile. So have a great event and see you around virtually. And without further ado, I'll hand back to IMARC to introduce our plenary session with Mark and Chris. Thank you.